Dragons originating in Western mythology have 4 legs, long necks, a thick body, and bat-like wings, which don't grow until adulthood. The traditional meal for a Western dragon is a sheep, an ox, or a human, consumed monthly. You will begin by using a pencil to construct your dragon to be with simple shapes and forms, such as cylinders, cubes, and cones. Next, you will develop the contour lines around the forms with a pencil. Add the eye, teeth, beard, and horns to the crocodile-like head. Next, you will go through and erase any unnecessary lines and begin adding tone with your pencil. Establish 2 textures right away, the hard cobblestone-like texture of the dragon's skin and the leathery surface of its wings. The next thing you will do is darken the far wing to give it a lower contrast and push it back into the distance. Then shade down the top of the head, detailing the pupil, brow, and nostril. Continue shading the body, adding cracked scales that follow the form of the body. Your final step will be to shade the rest of the dragon's body, avoiding the belly. Draw short, horizontal lines from the top of the neck down toward the belly for ridges. Then continue the scales down the front legs and refine the lion-like paws. As you can see, my drawing is a little more rough than this final drawing. You can take time to really refine your edges and really develop your shadows to give your dragon a really good shape and some nice strong teeth.